Hey guys, it's me, Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. It's kind of super early in the morning. Still in my bed, so sorry, no video. Um, and I have to be quiet-ish. I kind of decided to check out my monthlies. It's been a while. It's been a while since I checked the monthly levels. And there is stuff going on. There is definitely stuff going on. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so that's how it goes. It's not the biggest. Holy crap. And a lot of stocks showed like super weird hyper volume on daily this Friday. I still don't know how to interpret it. There's definitely some technical volume. I don't know, maybe they show closing the... But first quarter is not over yet, I don't know. But something happens several times a year, maybe like 4 times a year. I'm still figuring it out. Need to do some research. But yeah, there was like a hyper volume. Definitely technical volume. So yeah, this is like not bad. Absolutely an exhaustion. We need a monthly level though. You know what I mean? Look at this volume distribution. Dun. I would expect a little something from here, unless a bigger volume comes in. You know what I mean? Look at this. Beautiful. Very vice versa, yeah. It is beautiful. And it's absolutely the biggest volume. Yeah. We have 8 days. Look at this. Boom, boom. It is stretched, but it's now on a break actually, so we don't need... Oops. We don't need the entire volume of the... Yeah. It's in a break on the yearly, so we can trade in continuation of the trend. You know what I mean? You don't need the entire... However, yeah, that was a transition extreme, so everything checks out. There was a transition extreme right here. And then, oops, sorry. And then this was a legitimate... Yeah. Everything makes sense then. Volume distribution is long. Volume spring. Everything looks great. Everything looks great. Boom. This definitely is in a balance. Yeah, this volume. Like you can see it all across the board. I don't trust it much. I think it's a technical volume. I don't know what they're doing there. Maybe some clearance. I don't know. I don't know. Adobe. It's a good volume. Not the biggest volume though. Look, there are bigger volumes now. That very, that very well. Maybe the middle. So that can be like middle of the wave. So make it 50%, and you can figure out how longer can it potentially go. Booms. Sign of strength still holds. Still holds. I don't know. I'm losing the battery. I'm losing the battery. Comcast. But need a test anyways. AMG is hitting 0.5. And it, you know, it gave some volume at 0.5, but then died. Okay guys, I gotta go before my computer dies. Yeah, I see what it does here. Still will go. You see it doesn't want to go. It drops and then picks up, drops and then picks up. I think it will reach the target, but I closed the deal prematurely. That I'm known to do. This is change of direction now. Yeah. Someone did a little something here in terms of the smart money. Some institutional investors leaving everyone behind on the expiration of the contract. Because when contracts expire, no one goes in there. So all the retailers stay away from the futures on the expiration dates because it's like jerks around, very unpredictable, it's not tradable. Smart money made their move. I think this will go test, retest. Yeah, I think that was the trade. That I missed. And volume spring is always weird. But I think also this volume is March 17th. Yeah. That was an entry actually. That was an entry. Spring test. That was an entry. Look at this. Tick by tick. And that was a trade. And then this wasn't. And that was another trade. And that was another trade. Let me log this in. There was like one trade, and then right after there was another trade. I'll show it to you right now. Ay, ay, ay. I miss so much of Amazon. Miss so much of Amazon. A little bit below 0.5, but not critical. Boom. Spring. The biggest spring of this entire movement. Yeah. So this was another trade. I missed a lot on Amazon. Beautiful trades that I didn't take. Still can tomorrow. So I don't think this unwound spring is an issue. There is bigger volumes. But for here it was good. And that was a trade. There's still relative volume if you exclude this 17 March. 17 March. Why would we exclude it though? Yeah. Vodafone. I missed it so badly, like right from here with no test with this volume 2R. 2R wouldn't have be able to hold it longer, but 2R would have worked in beautifully. There's something weird volume wise, of course, so this is not normal. Just give me a sec, guys. Let me plug in the computer and probably I'll switch on my video. Just give me a sec, okay? Okay, guys, I'm back and good morning again. Now you can watch me. I don't like that this bar is. No, it's a jump or creek. 420, 429, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's a good bar. It hit the 0.5 though. Hit the 0.5 right here. Yeah, so that's troublesome. That's troublesome. Look at this volume too. But even more so. Yeah. It's a weird volume. Boom. Boom. I don't know. Weird volume. Weird volume. This guy. Look. It's the biggest volume of this correct. Oops. The biggest volume for this correction. Yeah. Oof. Yeah, it's gotta go to the monthly level. How did this play out? Where was I? Where was my trade? Anyone remembers? Where was my trade on this guy? This was the trade? Was this the trade? Just like this? No, I would have taken my 2 R's here. I don't remember my trade. Let me see real quick. Let me see because I'm curious. I'm a curious creature. My MRK. No, that's not it. Oh God. It was somewhere here. Yeah, it would have worked, I think. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Horizon. Trade I didn't take here. This guy's here right now. This guy is here right now. It's kind of high. And even more so, look at this guy. Yeah. Oops. So this is not necessarily, but it looks like it's the case. Because if not, this is the case. Boom. I've missed it. I think it's a fake volume, but reminds of Vodafone a little bit. But this is so tight. And the actual level may be here. And then I'm screwed. There was this little quickie here. So many times I would get stuck and trying to pick up something like this. In this specific case, it would have worked like 2R, but then so many times I would make this mistake. Not anymore. There's no exhaustion volume, so never mind this. And chart it like this. Yeah, that's what we have right now. So high up there though. It's high. There's definitely something going on here, so maybe something quick. It can correct way deeper than this. Baba is breaking. Hydra. Bush. This is unfortunate. I have no idea what's going on here, but this is unfortunate. Bush. The heck is this? Pick. We don't even do these levels like this. It's counter trend, so it was the potential and then it went down. Boom, boom, like right here. And then bye-bye. Yeah, tragic. Tragic. Yeah, look at Starbucks. It still holds. Initiative takeover. Boom. It's a choppy stock though. It doesn't show like regular wave impulse patterns. You want to stay in the vicinity of instruments that behave within the expected pattern. This still holds. Sign of strength. And there was this little slowdown here. 4-0, 487. So technically there is no level, but practically can be also T2. But yeah, it just jerks violently. But yeah, stay away from the stocks that you don't understand, that move awkwardly or odd. That's a sign of strength for the short trend. It's potentially 0.5. Dudoosh. This is a massacre. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Yeah. This is gonna be close to 0.5. Look at this. So this level is like super sexy. It's also, I don't think it's good. Yeah. 0.5, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the 0.5 right here. Oh la la, look at this. She is a beauty, just like hitting 0.5 at this, and then up thrust unvolumed, and then another up thrust volumed test. Ooh. Wouldn't trade it, but that was a trade, like 2R. Interesting. Well, technically 879, 9, so it's already and we are in a balance. Awkward, but still. And that's your entry for short. Everything is so clear in the hindsight. Everything is so clear in the hindsight. And it's an all state. Would you go? Would you rebel against the one of the biggest insurance companies in the world? You got some balls if you would. So there's bigger volume here, and here there is volume, but that would need a test. That would need a test. And an hourly. That would even. That would have not given an entry point. Interesting. So here we have a balance. Same deal. Look at that. So technically this is a balance, so but it killed the test. Like it often does. Good volume, but then on test it goes higher. And it's not the exhaustion, it's not the biggest volume, so let's mark it out all as our shorts. But you guys know I don't short on American market. Look what it's trying to do here. What it's trying to do. Breaking the level. I don't like it. So high up there. It's interesting what's going on here. Biggest volume, one of the biggest volumes. Up thrust, this test, that was an entry point. That was an entry. That was an entry. This volume is alarming, but also this volume is also big. So yeah, so that looked like an exhaustion for this movement, but it goes counter trend. So even though it's the biggest volume actually ever since here, but this volume is big as well. It's like, I'm not going up. Not me. So I don't know if I would have taken this trade, but technically checked out. The problemo here is that This volume is in our face, but it's in the very beginning of a trend. And there is nothing here. And then this volume comes in and reversed volume approach. So weakness, 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 and it grows, 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 bombs. So technically, and then a test. We need a test that will go in the body of the upthrust. So that was an entry. Boom. That's an entry on daily. Before the T2 of the before the T2 of the daily range, however, and before 0.5, yeah. So checks out. Another thing would be also to dive on hourly and see if that would have given us any better entry. Upthrust, unvolumed, go expands, goes higher, and then goes down here. So that's how it played out on hourly. I wouldn't take it because I'm a big giant chicken, not a rooster, but a chicken. It's maybe not bad, it's maybe helping me to preserve my capital. I don't know, you never know. Oh, and here, yeah, so that was an entry. Beam right there. And those. There's a yeah, but it's okay for short. And also, if you see from the last, yeah, so this thing was a problem. But from here or from here, so this might have been a like this jerky, wiggly movement, right? This movement, damn, because we're still going. But keep in mind, guys, it's short, and shorts are way faster. So oh, and this was unvolumed. Oh, that's unfortunate. Yeah, so no entry for me here. No entry for me here. Yeah, no, I don't think I would be able to do anything here with this guy. And then it changed the direction. And then it changes direction like this. Then goes back. Then again changes direction. Yeah, no, then it's a massacre. Oh, and by the way, change direction here. So yeah, no entry on hour. And then here again, transition extremum, then goes down. That might have been And it's a test now. Yeah, the test of this upthrust. Maybe on test. So look, on test it comes in here, gives us another transition extremum because it's already changed the direction. It's an uptrend now. That's why we have a transition extremum. Nothing here, but wait, but I think I saw it just right now. Didn't I? Yeah, and then it has the volume. Broke. Wait. Oh, and also, sorry, I lied to you. No. Huh. You see how like this bigger volume said that this upthrust we shouldn't take? Then it breaks higher. Yeah, guys, I don't think there's anything for me on hourly. Breaks above, goes down. Oh, this. Right? Maybe this. Let's see. So yeah, that was a level. And then it breaks it, but then goes down. Yeah. 10 gives an entry here, but doesn't confirm the change of direction. It goes down. So this is now our break under ice. Break under ice. And again, you see, unvolumed upthrust. I can do nothing here. And then it goes down. And that's our sign of strength now. And then goes down again. And then it's too low. So yeah, only daily. Only daily. We see how it goes. Okay, guys, I gotta go. This also is same deal. That wouldn't give us a test. That wouldn't give us a test. But who knows, after a volume like this, there's still bigger volumes in our favor. No, there's none. And this is like too low. It's just the beginning, so just take it like this from here or dive into 1 hour and see if this shows anything more workable. No, nothing. And it's counter trend, but also it has potential up to 0.5. It's a transition extremum. So that's a test. And then boom. Yeah, come see, come Sam. I don't think there's anything for me. Yeah. Okay, guys. Gonna let you go. See you soon.